Welcome back. This is another unboxing video. This time, a pair of Waxy shell cordovan boots. I've just gotten a few pairs of Meermins in the mail. I've got a few more coming here in the next week. I've got the hand welted, I think, are coming next week. So, but very excited to see how this comes out. This is an unknown tannery, or excuse me, an undisclosed tannery, an American family-owned tannery, which does not leave a lot of room for interpretation, but I am interested to see how these come out. So a couple of boot bags come with this. So their boots all seem to come with 2 bags, but it's the same bag that comes for a pair of 2 shoes. And then here we are. You've got this really cool boot. And again, this is a Waxy shell cordovan, which I've never seen before. This is my first exposure to it. Not even seen the split toes on any of the folks that have received them already. I've only seen the cap toe boot. So this is an interesting boot for me. This is my first on their Ultra Flex system, which is probably not cork in the midsole on its foam. So interested to see how that works out and how that is on the break-in. But in the meantime, I'm very focused on just how cool this boot is. It has 5 eyes, 4 speed hooks, and I love these outside soles. I have these on a couple boots and shoes, and really do like them. So, Waxy shell cordovan feels very similar to CXL or Chromaxol, which is a Horween product. And we'll have to see how these things age up. There's storm welt on them. The welt lines, pretty good. Just looking along the edge here and along the edge here. You know, and overall, I mean, it's got big fudging, pretty tight stitching, pretty good. I'll take some pictures in the light and see if you see anything different. But, you know, at first glance, this just looks like a well-made pair of boots, and they're extremely light. So they weigh about half of what one of my boot trees weighs. So very interested to see how these things wear. As I said before, it's my first experience with Waxy shell cordovan, and that's one of the things I just love about Meermin, is that you can afford, you know, for a few $100 for a pair of shell boots, you can afford to try a new type of shell you've never tried before, and you know, you're not dropping, you know, 800 or 1,000, 1,500 bucks on them like you are with other makers. So, and you know, when they put out a nice quality product, it's all good. So anyway, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think.